What if New York in the year 2100 became the most advanced green city on Earth? Not a city of endless traffic, noise, and concrete, but a living system where artificial intelligence and nature work together. By 2100, New York is no longer just a symbol of speed and ambition. It has become a symbol of balance. And behind this balance is an intelligence that listens to the city every second. The transformation begins in the heart of the city, where a new wilderness has grown. This is not an ordinary park. It is the city's biological engine. AI monitors soil moisture, tree health, animal movement, and air quality without interrupting the rhythm of life. In this future, the park does not sit inside the city. The city grows around the park. Around the city, the rivers have changed just as dramatically. The Hudson and East River corridors have become living waterfront ecosystems. Instead of pushing nature away from the water, New York now invites it back. When storms approach, AI-controlled flood systems adjust the shoreline before the first wave becomes a threat. The city does not fight the water anymore. It moves with it. New York's skyline still reaches upward, but by 2100, it reaches upward like a forest. Every tower is designed to cool the streets, clean the air, grow food, and shelter life. Artificial intelligence controls shade, water, temperature, and growth patterns across the skyline. The result is a city that does not simply consume energy. It produces shade, oxygen, food, and calm. The most powerful sign of New York's recovery is not seen in its technology. It is seen in the animals that returned. Birds nest above the streets. Foxes travel through green corridors. Bees move from rooftop to rooftop. AI does not cage them, chase them, or control them. It simply makes the city safe enough for them to stay. By 2100, New York understands that a city without wildlife is not advanced. It is incomplete. At the center of this new New York is an AI system that acts like the city's nervous system. It senses heat before streets become dangerous, redirects movement before congestion forms, and protects ecosystems before damage spreads. The city feels fast, but not chaotic, powerful, but not aggressive. That is the difference between technology that dominates a city and intelligence that helps a city breathe. For the people who live here, the future is not only about taller buildings. It is about a calmer life inside a smarter city. Food grows close to home, on rooftops, inside towers, and in vertical farms powered by clean energy. Schools open into gardens. Hospitals overlook forests. Workspaces are designed with air, light, and nature in mind. New York remains ambitious, but by 2100, its ambition is no longer to conquer nature. It is to grow with it. This future did not appear because machines became smarter. It appeared because people decided that intelligence should protect life, not replace it. A truly smart city is not filled with screens. It is filled with clean air, living streets, safe wildlife, and people who feel connected to the world around them. This is New York in 2100, faster than ever, greener than ever, and finally alive in a way the old city could only imagine. And if New York can become a living city, perhaps the future of every city on Earth can be rewritten.